In this video today I'll discuss about a biography regarding the topic Bibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. For more videos please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Bibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. Bibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay was an eminent Bengali writer. He was born on 12 September in 1894 at Muratipur in North 24 Parganas. Mohananda Bandyopadhyay was his father and his mother was Mrinalini Devi. His early education was at home and his village Pathshala. He passed the entrance examination from Bongaon High School in 1914. Then he passed both IA and BA examination from the Ripon College in Kolkata. He started his service career as a teacher. He wrote many novels and stories. He was the writer of the world-famous novel Pather Panchali. His novels like Aparajita, Aranyak, Ichamoti and stories like Meghamollar, Mouri Phul, Jatra Badal, etc. are popular to us. His writings are romantic and realistic. The mother nature is vivid in his writings. This great person passed away on 1st November in 1950 at Ghatsila in Bihar. Now, this is the end of the biography. Thanks to all.